What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to change the text alignment in Adobe InDesign. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. To get started, you should have a text document opened in InDesign. Head over to the toolbar and select the selection tool. Select the text box of which you want to change the text alignment. This will bring the control panel running across the top of your window. In case you don't see the control panel, go to Window and select Control. Here, you can find text alignment options such as Align Left, Align Center, Align Right, Left Justify, Center Justify, Right Justify, and Full Justify. Another easy way to change your text alignment is to select the text box of which you want to change the text alignment. Go to the Paragraph panel. If you don't see the Paragraph panel, go to Window and select Paragraph. This will bring the Paragraph panel to your workspace. Keeping the text box selected, specify the text alignment options that you wish to use for the text. You might have noticed that these steps change the horizontal text alignment only. To change the vertical alignment of your text, select the text box with the selection tool. Go to Object and click on Text Frame Options. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl and B. For macOS, use the shortcut Command and B. From here, you can specify the vertical text alignment settings according to your preferences. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.